I think we have Akbar, and he's our last caller, inshallah, from India.
Can we use random chits to distribute things to people? For example, there are 5 pieces of land to be inherited by and distributed among 5 brothers. Can we use chits to allocate the pieces of land to them so that there is no dispute, as the chits are totally random?
Can you use what?
Chits, paper, writing names on the paper and mixing it and picking it up.
Why? Do they have the same value?
No, that value is not same, but to pick the random to names for the, if one land is on the roadside and we all of them will dispute to get the land.
No. This is totally not permissible. Inheritance is a right. So you have to share the same value. If we have 5 plots and we're 5 brothers, one plot is $1 million and the other one is $500,000, it is unfair to throw chips and select or draw the lots to know which one of us would get which from that one. If I get the one with the 500,000, I feel deprived and unfortunate. Why would I accept such a thing? The only way of doing it is to evaluate the value, sell it, and divide the money. Or we know that this is 1 million and this is 500. Okay, the one who's going to get the 1 million must compensate the rest financially. Say, okay, I'll give you 200,000, 200,000, 200,000, whatever. If they agree to that, then this is okay. Other than that, no. If there's no agreement, they have to sell and take the money in cash equally, not by drawing the lots or flipping a coin, and then at the end of the day, the loser is not gonna feel good about it, even if he gave his approval, because this is taking people's wealth unlawfully and without their consent. This is all the time we have.